Are you facing age restrictions on Pinterest? Here's how to resolve it. The first thing you should do is check the date of birth on your Pinterest account. Pinterest requires that users be at least 13 years old to use the platform. To verify or update your age, open the app and navigate to your profile settings. Ensure that your birth date is correctly entered. If your date of birth is correct, but you are still facing restrictions, it's a good idea to check the region you are accessing Pinterest from. Some regions have stricter age requirements. In cases where you are using a third party login like Facebook or Google, make sure that your linked account shows the correct age information. If your Facebook or Google account is showing a different age, it could cause issues with your Pinterest account. Lastly, ensure that your account is not flagged for violating any age-related policies, as this could lead to restrictions. If you suspect this, you can contact Pinterest support for assistance. Double check the country settings in your account, as some countries have different age regulations for using social platforms. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.